Alright, back here on the 1978 Toyota pickup. So, gotten the engine bay totally taken apart, which is good. Headlights all out. I left the bumper on for now. I don't know why. I should probably just take that off. And then I got all the engine out. You saw that before. And then I got all the lines and harnesses and everything out of here. And then now everything should be boxed up. It's hilarious how little there is. You know, you got the seats and some outside bits and some inside bits, steering wheel or whatnot, but after doing the 85 Buick and it had all kinds of stuff on it, this is hilarious. It's so simple, there's just nothing here. Plus, man, it's nice working on a Japanese car because it's all just 10 and 12 mil everywhere, and then occasionally like some small 8s and a big 14, and so like you just need like a couple of sockets and some wrenches and the thing's been coming apart really easy. I've been super surprised. Like, I had to take the transmission mount out in order to get the engine out in order to get it tilted out of here, and man, these came right off. None of the captured nuts broke. None of them broke, which is crazy because it's old and there's no way this is ever taken apart, and they're tiny. Like, that's a little bitty 12 mil holding on the transmission, and I'm so surprised those didn't just all break. None of them did on either side, which is crazy. So today I gotta get the rest of the exhaust off because I'm gonna make a trip over to the scrap yard, and I'm gonna see if I can get a pile of stuff and just get it all out of here. You know, I got all of those bits for the AC and pump and all that. I don't need any of this. I don't need the engine. And then this is some leftover pipe from the Buick, and I don't need any of that. It's just taking up space. The catalytic converter there, you know, they can just have it, but maybe they'll give me a few bucks. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna make these videos a bit shorter than before. The last one was like 45 minutes long. I don't think Ollie ain't ever gonna watch it, and I don't think anyone else will. So I'm gonna get this exhaust off. That should be pretty quick, and then I might video a little bit of me cutting out the floor. If you see, like, it's not even connected. Like, it moves. It's not connected anywhere. Like, that mount is there. I have no idea how that cab isn't just resting on the frame. I have no idea what's going on there. So I'm gonna cut this out here and see how much I come up. I might make like 2 straight pieces, or I'm not sure yet. But now that that ain't connected, I want to get as much of this repaired while it's mounted to the frame, so I don't have to worry about stuff not lining up, because since it's so rotted out here, I'm afraid that if I take the cab off of the frame and weld up all the floors and the rockers and all that other stuff, that I'm going to try to bolt it back to the frame and it ain't going to fit. So while I did originally want to take it off the frame to make it easier on myself, I think I'm going to have to do a lot of it on the frame to avoid a disaster later where this doesn't fit. The body mounts on the other side are not quite as bad. So there's a bit of rot in the corner here And, you know, I do need to cut all that out and replace it, but it's not quite as terrible as the front. Little hole here, and then this one's pretty bad. So the floor is gone, but fortunately it looks like the bracket for the body on this side at least looks like it's okay, versus, you know, when you look on this side, like this bracket that holds, you know, the body, it's not even connected. It's just crazy. So, and this one's even worse. So we'll see. Like I said, I got to get this exhaust off first. That'll be fast. I'll just sawzall it off, and then we'll get it on the ground, and we'll see how much I video of me messing with the floor. And I got a tripod now, so hopefully that is better. There we go. So it looks like it was originally laminated where there was the regular floor here and then this reinforcement plate, and then that's what the body mount hooked into, which is similar to here. That's the regular floor, and then there's this piece that ran up and hooked into the firewall, and then this is the regular floor, and then that's that same plate. So I have, and this looks pretty thin. It looks like it's probably like 18 gauge. So I could probably cut back, and that's why I was jabbing with the screwdriver to see how far back I needed to go. I could probably cut back and then just weld in 16 gauge to take that place. So I gotta get all that cut out and then mark up a panel and see what we got. I'll probably see if I can't peel back as much of this as I can. Man, I'd love to be able to find some good metal in here. I don't know if I'll be able to. I might have to go all the way up here and bend in a piece. But it'd be nice to get that in one piece and not have to laminate in some annoying thing. But I'll cut that out, and when I get something else, I'll start up another video. Alright, catch you on the next one.